Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make something that will quench your thirst in this hot weather of Nairobi. And we're making some lemon mojito. And here I have some lemons, of course. I have some cubes. I have my Sprite over here. I have some mint leaves. And I have my icing sugar, but you can also use the normal sugar. And without further ado, let's get started. So I have sliced my lemon into halves and other slices, and the other part I've cubed them. So we are going to start off by adding these cubed lemons into our glass. Then I'm also going to add in my mint leaves, and for the mint leaves you can buy them at the supermarket. A big bunch, literally big, goes for about 25 shillings. I'm going to juice my lemon, and I'm going to use this squeezer that I reviewed in a previous episode. You can check that out. Then into my glass, I'm also going to add in about 2 teaspoons of sugar, but you can also use the normal sugar. And that is going to offset the acidity of the lemons. And I'm also going to add in my freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then, if at all you do not have a mandla, you can use this, and this is just a rolling pin. So I'm going to use this part and make sure it is clean, and I'm going to press everything. Finally, I'm going to add in my ice cubes, and as you can see, my ice cubes have kind of 2 layers. So one layer is for the water and the other one is for freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to add them in. Then I'll also add this. Also rub a few mint leaves to release the flavor. Then finally, I'm going to add in my Sprite. And there you have it, our fresh mojito, just like that, under 2 minutes, and we are going to give this a taste test. Wow, it tastes amazing. This is so refreshing. Wow. I hope you're going to give this a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.